What's happening, bro?
Appreciate you, bro.
Y'all good, man. You out here in bumfuck Egypt.
Yeah, I've seen my girl down there, bro. She live about a mile down that fucking road, dog. Real shit. Let me ask you something, son. How did you get a job like this?
How do I get a job like this?
Yeah. Do they hire felons? I'm a felon, I'm gonna be honest with
I mean, I ain't gonna tell you no. I'm a felon. So, but I mean, I own the business too. It's my company.
Well, I got a kid on the way.
What kind?
Huh?
What kind of felony you got?
Well, I did 3.5. I did about 6 years here total. I got weapon charges, battery charges. But that was 7 years ago now. I got a case in California that's being dropped in 2 weeks. That's it.
That's probably gonna hurt you. I mean, cause I could use some help.
Hey, I mean, look, please. That's kind of what I was planning on asking. To be honest with you, I worked whenever. I gotta have something because I just found out I got a kid on the way yesterday, and I'm not prepared.
Yeah.
First kid.
Congratulations.
I'm nervous as hell.
No need to be nervous, bro.
Nah, it's not the kid I'm nervous about. It's the girl I'm having it with. That. It got nothing to do with that, dog.
I feel that.
Yeah, she's crazy. I mean, he's crazy enough to live way the fuck out here, dog.
Yeah, you way out here too. I come out here a lot. Where you from? Baton Rouge?
I'm from New Orleans. Originally.
From New Orleans?
I've been back in I just moved back from LA about a year and a half ago.
So where you
out there with my mom, helping her.
So that's where you living in New Orleans?
No, I live out here in BR now. I live right off Tiger Bend. Tiger Bend Road.
Okay.
Tiger Bend area. I'm available 24/7. I fix my car myself. I just forgot. Dude, I've been running around so damn much and she been bitching at me so much I didn't put gas in my car.
That's tough, man. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna shoot you a text, try and get some information from you. I'm gonna need like your. I think I got your name, like the last 4 of your social,
okay.
And that may be it. Cause I got 2 other guys that work with me right now, but I mean they're so inconsistent. I mean,
whatever it is you need, dog. I mean, I could do. I just rebuilt my entire motor myself. I know cars. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
I got a partner too that has a tire shop in Baton Rouge that he's looking for a steady mechanic. Yeah.
Man, please. I'm a beginner. I'm a novice mechanic though. Son.
That's the
I bought this car. Like a hobby of mine is just buy old cars.
He'll work with you. Trust me, he'll work with you.
I would greatly appreciate it. I know you don't know me.
No, I don't know you, but I mean you good, man. I don't mind helping you. It's 5 for the gas, bro.
Hold on. Yeah, my phone. I'm sorry. How old are you? You're fucking crazy, bro.
Let me see. Let me
got Apple Pay?
Yeah. Okay. Let me.